Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Wade and I'm from the Offershub support team. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use a mailer tool. So mailer tool, basically if you're having trouble promoting all your fancy offers to from your advertisers, you can use this mailer tool and send emails in bulk to affiliates, advertisers or employees in your network. Before we get started, you need to set your custom email server first. To do that, you have to go to Settings, System Preferences, and scroll down to Email and click on Next here. And then you will find this page. It will say Email Server Settings, and most probably, if you have not set up any server yet, it would say Use Offershub Email Servers. So you have to click on the drop down, click on Use Custom. So once you click on Custom, you will see these fields: SMTP host, port, encryption protocol, username, password. You have to fill all that with your custom email server information, and once that is done, you can click on Test Email Settings, and then this field will appear, and then you have to input an email of yours so that the test email would come to that address. So let me just go ahead and put this and click on Send Test Email. So if it's working, oh, there you go, you should get this notification saying, congrats, your email configuration passed the test, you can save the settings now. So as soon as you get this, you should also get an email to the email that you added there, saying the same message, you have successfully configured your email with Offershub. So you can click OK and click Update. So once you click Update, you will be redirected to the same page again. Then what you have to do is you can go to Mailer. Now I'm going to show you how to use Mailer. So this would be empty here. So you can click on Compose, and over here you can see it says Select Audience. It says affiliates, advertisers, employees. So in affiliates, under affiliates, you have all these selection, all affiliates, my affiliates, active last 7 days, inactive last 7 days. There are so many options to choose from. Same goes for the advertisers, and same goes for the employees. So let me just show you how to send an email here. So I'm gonna select all my employees, and I'm gonna send the name. These are the fields that you have to fill. It says from name, from email, subject, and email category, email body. So I'm gonna put the name Wade and the email as wade@offershub.com, and the subject mailer demo. Okay, and you can select an email category as well, and you can put on hello, this is a test email for, okay, and there are email tags as well, so you can add these if needed. And once that is done, you can click on Next. You will be directed to this page to review your campaign, and it will show you the details: the subject, the name, the mail type, and the email address that is going to be selected from, and the audience, and the mailing list who are in the audience. So all employees, it says some of the you can customize that as well. So you can preview the email as well. So once that is done, you can click on Send, and the campaign will be sent. That's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. If you have any questions, please comment below. or drop a message on our Skype. We'll be happy to help you out.